L, L. L is for lemon. Lemon.
Lemon is too sour.
So lemons grow on trees.
You can make lemonade with lemons. And children can have it too.
You can. You can put lemon in your tea. You can grate lemons to get zest. That's for cooking. You can squeeze lemons on your food if you're cooking. What food do you put lemon on?
Chicken and fish.
Fish.
You squeeze lemon so it tastes better. L is for lemon. Lemon.
L. L is for lion. Lion.
O is for lion.
There is a male lion. He's the king of the jungle. He's there with his little cub, looks like. And there's a lion with his whole family. A family of lions is called a pride. Oh, there's a family of lions. Look, there's some female lions. They're called lionesses, and they're cubs. They're the small ones. There's a couple of lionesses just chilling out on a tree. Must be very hot, so they're relaxing. What are these people doing? It looks like they're on safari. Oh, look, there's some lions lying right down below the Jeep. They're taking a nap right by the Jeep.
L is for lion. Lion.
L. L is for limousine. Limousine.
Here's lots of limousines.
And there's a big white one. That's actually looks like a stretch SUV limousine. There's a businessman working at the back of his limousine. He has a driver in the front. Here's a limousine showing up at a party. Looks like some movie stars or musicians are going to come out here. Musicians, maybe that's a band. And they're coming out.
That's a band.
Yeah, that's a band. So they're arriving at an event.
That's a very big limousine.
And here's here it looks like police.
And there's a police car.
Yeah. Oh, and here's a big limousine. That looks like maybe it's the president.
L is for limousine. Limousine.
L. L is for lumberjack. Lumberjack.
Woodcutter.
What is it?
Woodcutter.
It's a woodcutter. It's a lumberjack is a woodcutter.
Lumberjack.
The lumberjacks cut down trees in the forest. Oh, there's a tree falling down, and when a lumberjack cuts a tree down, he shouts, "Timber!" And there's a tractor pulling the log away that's just been cut down. And there's a grabber. And the grabber is collecting all of the logs into a big pile. They've all got numbers on them, which shows the type and size of the timber. And here is another grabber loading the logs, in this case off the truck.
Lumberjack.